Hello sir, I am Gulab Patel from Tufee app. Here I will show you how to create new student and view student profile into Tufee app. I must recommend you create a batch before creating any student profile into the Tufee app. If you don't know how to create a batch, then go to the app and you will find a button about tips at the bottom of the screen and then click on add and view batches. Here I have provided batch information video. Okay, now I am expecting that you have created any batch in your system. Now come to dashboard and you will find green icon with student text. Click on that icon and app will show you two options. Add new student and second is student list. Here we are learning how to add students, so we are going to click on add new student. Here app will ask you for information about student profile. We will fill all fields step by step. The first is student image. Here you can set student profile image that will appear on student report, due fee reminder, collected fee receipt, and student profile and lists. Here are some fields are mandatory for student profile. So I am going to fill that first. First is the student name. Here we will add student name. Then gender, select your student's gender. Then student's key for student login. Here be careful while choosing student key, because student key must be unique from all your student. Next is WhatsApp number. Here we will add a WhatsApp number with our nation code. Nation code is needed. Without a nation code, app can't send SMS in WhatsApp. So must add nation code. Next is mobile number. Same as WhatsApp number. Add nation code before mobile number. And if you have only one number, then save the same number in both fields. Next is batch. Select any one batch for this new student. Without the selection of the batch, the app will give some crash and bugs to you, so must create a batch if you don't have any. And then create student profile. Next is the join date of your student. This is a mandatory field for student profile. Next is fee type. Select fee type as per student profile. Monthly or course. Next is fee amount. Add fee amount of this new student. Here we have completed mandatory fields of student profile. And add father name also, because some reports have father name, so it looks bad if there is empty space. Other fields are easy to understand. You can fill that fields on your own if needed. After fulfilling student data, click on the save button. And done. We have successfully created a new student profile from scratch. Now let's check how your student profile looks like. Come to dashboard again. And click on student. Again app will ask you two options. This time we will select student list. And here app will show your all students. You can search your student by name. You can filter your student by batch. Same as this way. Now we are going to check student profile. Click on student and app will take us to student profile. Here you will find so many buttons and information about student. Start from top. There are two options available on top. That one is edit and the second is for delete student profile. You can edit a student profile with edit button and delete all data about this student by clicking delete option. When you click on delete icon, app will ask you to verify before you delete your student profile. Now below that buttons, first is student name. The second is batch's name. The third is the total collected fees from this student. The fourth is the total pending fee from this student. On the left side, student image will appear which you have selected in add student process. Here you will ask what is open doing here. Open means student is active in your institute. If student leave your academy, then you can simply click on open and close this student by selecting close date of student. Now come into below three pages. First is personal info. The second is fees. The third is the exam. In personal info, app will show you basic information about student. Here you will find 5 buttons. The first is for ID card. The second is for WhatsApp messages. The third is for calls. The fourth is for text SMS. And last is for attendance summary. By clicking on the ID card button, app will ask you to select the card design type. Select any design and generate ID card. Currently, this function is under development, but this will update soon. Next is WhatsApp button. Just click on that and app will open WhatsApp for you to text your student. Next is call, same as WhatsApp. Click on that and the app will open the call dialer and set your student number into dial pad. Next is text SMS. Also same as WhatsApp. Click on that and app will open default SMS app of your device and set student number automatically. Next is attendance summary. Click on that and app will show you month-wise attendance summary report in very beautiful manner. Now go to the bottom of personal info. Here you will find one button that sends your student ID, password and app link. By clicking on this card, app will generate a default SMS for your student with ID, password and app link. This is cool. Right. I will show how to do student login in special video. Now come to the student profile again. Here second page is fees. Here you will find all fees paid by this student and pending fee from this student. And then the next page is exam page. Here you can check all exams from this student. In the upcoming video, I will show you how to add fees and exams data into student profile. Here we have learned all about student profile creation and check student profile. We will meet you again in add and view fee and exams video. Till that, bye bye, see you again. Good night, good morning. Whichever time you're watching this. Thank you for watching this video.